What's up, YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl Receivers coming at you with another video. And before we get started, please make sure you comment, like, and subscribe because I really do appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're oldie boogity, what's happening? What's up? So y'all, in today's video, I'm just going to be doing kind of like an unboxing. I just recently went to the Coach outlet. Yes, we do have one of those where I'm located in Ohio, and y'all, I just had to go, I had to go see what's going on. So personally, I would say the Coach outlet website and going into the store is completely different. When you go into the store, they have like a clearance section, and since it's already an outlet, it's already at a discounted price. But y'all, I went in there, and in a small section, they had an additional 70% off. And your girl had to do it. So y'all, this is the bag. It's a little up close. It's with some nice tissue paper, but that's not what we're here for. So we're gonna get rid of this. And y'all, I'm gonna show you the first one. This is so cute. It's a mini bag, and this is called the Nolita and the tiger print, the Nolita 19 tiger print. Y'all, look at this. Look. Y'all, this was comparative value of $188, and it was $182.99. Y'all, when you go into the Coach, well, let's just get into this first. We have gold hardware, like zebra print. This reminded me of like a safari, and I thought it was just so cute. I had to purchase this because I like mini bags, and you see it has Coach very small right there. And then it has the little tag that says Coach right here. Y'all, so when it was on the 70% wall, because they don't even have this online it's sold out. So y'all, I went in there and they told me, like, I guess the price tag is in the inside. I think they took it out. So y'all, I would say I only paid oh, they emailed me my receipt. I want to say I only paid only $56 for this, and I thought this was a steal compared to this price. So yeah, $56 for this little miniature. It's so cute. Hold on, let me back up the camera a little bit. Y'all, this is so cute. It's like a miniature little bag. You can carry this, and I'll probably do what I can put in it, so kind of like a miniature what's my bag, because y'all know I'm into big purses, and this is going to be something cutesy in the summertime, because I definitely ordered some Chucks, but they're not the actual Chucks. There's some Chuck dupes from Amazon, and they're like this kind of color, y'all, and y'all know me, I'm going to accessorize. So that's that. I'm gonna leave that right there. So y'all, I ended up purchasing 4 items, and they were all 70% off. And nope, I didn't get a receipt. And then y'all, I got this. This is so cute. So this is also like a bag, and it's just got like this little thing here. It basically says, a little TLC goes a long way to care for your product. Avoid heat and moisture to clean. Wipe with a damp cloth. So it's basically providing you with the care of your items. And y'all, this is so cute. This is like a miniature, kind of like a miniature wallet purse, because this is a functional pocket back here, and it comes with a little chain. Well, it's a long chain, And you can kind of wear this as, well, for me, y'all know I'm busty, so this will have to just go over my shoulder. It's not going to be a crossbody. And you can fit cards in here, or if you got a little lip balm, but you're not fitting that much in here, because y'all see how small this is. And you can put your credit cards in here. Then it's a second slot in here. These are functional. And I want to say this was only $20 for this, y'all, because it was an extra 70% off. And it doesn't have the little, oh yes it does, jackpot. So this one is the wallet clutch in tiger prints. It was comparable value at $128 and $122.99, but y'all end up paying like, I want to say 25, almost close to $30 with tax. And y'all, you cannot beat that. That's a steal. To go from basically $130 to $30, it's a steal. Y'all know, come on now. So that's that. So stinking cute. The next thing I purchased, y'all, cause me, I had to get something small that I can use to like put my lip gloss in. And you probably like, why did you just buy it for your lip gloss? I don't know. Sometimes I'll just like to have my lip gloss in an enclosed area, especially when I'm carrying purses, even though they're dupes. But you know, lip gloss oil, if that thing bursts, it can ruin the bag. So y'all, I purchased this little it's like a little wallet, but it's very like roomy. Okay, and then this price was $82, but comparably to $88. So y'all, I want to say I only paid after tax $26 for this one. And y'all, this is so cute. This also has gold hardware like all of these. And this has like, oh, this probably was from their Christmas collection because it has like jingle bells. It says Coach and it has the monogram print in the background. Same in the back. I thought this was so cute. And y'all, I'm just gonna put like lip gloss in here. Like stuff like this. Put my lip gloss in here and, you know, lock it up and it's safe. And y'all, this is, I love it. I love it. Last but not least, because you know they always get you when you're at the register ready to pay. They got the little keychains and little trinkets to hang on your purse. And y'all know I'm a sucker for stuff hanging on my purse and trinkets, y'all. Y'all, they had this 70% off. Look, I'm so excited I can barely speak. So comparable value is at $68, but it was $62. After your 70%, I want to say this was like $20 too. And this is in a monogram. It's a mirror. Hey y'all. I'm up here looking crazy, but I had to share this with y'all. And it has the Coach New York right here. The monogram with, these are like metallic stars, pink stars. And it's so cute. And what is this? This says India. Not sure if you guys can see that, but it says India right there on the charm. Then it says Coach. Then it says Coach right here. So you can like hang this, you know, on the purse. Or hang this on here. And y'all, I thought this was so cute. And I just had to share it. I had to come on here and share it with my family because y'all know when it's a deal, I gotta share it with y'all. So definitely, you know, check out the website. But I really, really, really would say if you have a Coach outlet in your state, definitely go visit because it's worth it. You know, ask them, hey, do you guys have like a section where it's like additional, like big additional percent off? And they should be able to, you know, show you, or you just, you know, look around and stuff. And I kind of came up on it with the humble because it was like hidden. And I'm like, okay. I mean, it was literally in the cut, in the corner, in the back of the store, where you probably wouldn't even, you know, thought to look. And I was just like, oh yeah, I gotta get these, y'all. And I had got these first, walked out, went to some other stores, and I'm like, I had seen this, and I'm like, I didn't want it. I'm like, let me go get this, because with the outlet, you get it while you're there, because if you try to go back, it's going to be gone. Y'all, I went back. There was a lady back there. She had this in her hand. I'm like, oh, please don't. She put it down. I said, ma'am, you gonna buy that? She like, no, I scooped it on up. I'm like, yes, I need this. Thank you very much. But yes, family, I wanted to share this with you. Go check it out, and you know, share down below, what are your favorite Coach bags? Are you into solid colors, prints like this, or just the classic monogram? And maybe we can just compare and bounce ideas, you know. And y'all, I heard they're coming out with their denim little selection. I can't wait. Hopefully they, you know, got some good stuff, because if not, I'm gonna pass. But I'll see you guys in the next video.